Black holes, by their nature, exhibit movements influenced by gravitational interactions with other celestial bodies. These movements manifest in fascinating ways. First, black holes can engage in orbital motion, where they orbit around other stars or black holes within binary or multiple systems. Black holes, while often thought of as stationary, can move through space due to several factors. This orbital dance creates complex gravitational interactions and often leads to the emission of high-energy radiation in the form of X-rays. Gravitational interactions. Black holes can move due to the gravitational pull of nearby stars or other massive objects. For example, in a binary system. Second, the collision and merger of two black holes produce an astronomical spectacle, resulting in gravitational waves. Black hole can move through the galaxy or even be ejected at high speeds. These waves are ripples in spacetime that can be detected by instruments like LIGO and Virgo, offering insights into the most extreme environments in the universe. During black hole mergers, gravitational waves carry away energy. Third, some black holes display proper motion, particularly those formed from supernovae. These movements demonstrate that black holes are dynamic entities that interact with their environments in complex ways. During the cataclysmic explosion of these massive stars, the resulting black holes can receive a significant galaxy mergers. When galaxies collide, their central black holes can merge and the resulting black hole can move through the galaxy or even be ejected at high speeds.